Ready to elevate your flying experience? Tips and tricks that will transform the way you travel through the skies. From strategic seat choices to maximizing your carry-on space, from leveraging airline loyalty programs to staying hydrated at 30,000 feet, we've got you covered. We'll take a look at 17 amazing flight hacks you didn't know you needed that will make every flight smoother, more enjoyable, and stress-free. But first, please remember to like this video and subscribe to the channel to get more updates like this. Ever wondered how to get that extra legroom without paying more? The secret lies in your seat selection. Let's dive into the art of hacking seat selection. It's not just about clicking on the first available option. Strategic seat choices can turn your economy class experience into something close to first class. How? Well, for starters, not all seats are created equal. Seats near the emergency exit or those right behind the partition walls usually offer more legroom. And if you're not a fan of turbulence, seats located over the wings of the plane experience less bumpiness. But here's the catch. These coveted spots are usually snatched up quickly, which brings us to our next point, the art of timing. To get the best seats and for lower prices, timing your booking is key. Airlines typically release their flight seats 11 months in advance. If you book early, you can secure those prime spots before anyone else. But what if you're not an early bird? Fear not, there's a hack for you too. Airlines adjust their fares based on demand. So, if you're flexible with your travel dates, try booking midweek. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are often when prices dip, as these are less popular travel days. Another timing trick is to consider the time of day. Late night and very early morning flights tend to be cheaper. Sure, it might be a bit of a struggle to wake up, but think about the savings and the comfort you're getting in return. Now you might be wondering, what about last-minute deals? Well, they do exist, but they're a bit of a gamble. If you're a risk taker, this might be the thrill you're looking for. With these hacks, you're not just a passenger, you're a strategic flyer, ready to get the most out of every flight. Layovers can be more than just waiting around. Let's turn them into an opportunity. Traveling often includes layovers, which most people see as a necessary inconvenience. But what if I told you that layovers could be a chance for adventure or a way to save some cash? By leveraging your layovers, you can explore a new city and immerse yourself in a different culture without even planning a separate trip. Just make sure you have enough time, usually 6 hours or more, to leave the airport and return well before your next flight. This way you can turn a long, dull wait into a mini vacation. But what if your layover is a short one and you can't leave the airport? Well, it's the perfect time to get some work done. Read that book you've been putting off, or even learn a few words of the local language. Remember, every minute can be utilized productively. Now let's move on to something that's always a priority while traveling: luggage. It's time to master the art of packing your carry-on. The key to efficient packing is being selective about what you bring. Choose versatile items that can be mixed and matched to create different outfits. This way, you can make the most out of a few pieces of clothing. Also, utilizing packing cubes can help you compartmentalize your belongings, making them easier to find and reducing the chance of forgetting something important. And remember, heavy items should go at the bottom of your bag to maintain balance and prevent your luggage from toppling over. Another tip is to always keep your essentials, such as passport, wallet, and medications, in an easily accessible spot. You never know when you might need them, and scrambling through your carry-on in a crowded aisle is never fun. With these hacks, layovers and luggage won't be a hassle anymore. So the next time you're planning a trip, remember these tips and turn your travel experience from stressful to enjoyable. Loyalty does have its rewards, especially when it comes to flying. In the world of air travel, points are your best friends. Most airlines have loyalty programs that allow you to earn points for every mile you fly. And here's the fun part. You can redeem these points for free flights, upgrades, or even airport lounge access. The more you fly with the same airline, the more points you accumulate. So if you're not part of an airline's loyalty program yet, it's high time to sign up and start collecting those points. But wait, there's more. Some airlines have partnerships with credit card companies. This means you can earn points for your everyday purchases, not just when you fly. So, next time you're shopping for groceries or filling up your car, remember you could be earning points towards your next vacation. Now, let's move on to baggage fees. These sneaky extras can quickly add up and put a dent in your travel budget. But fear not, there are ways to navigate around them. First, consider traveling light. If you can pack everything you need in a carry-on, you can avoid checked baggage fees altogether. But let's say you're going on a longer trip, and a carry-on just won't cut it. In that case, check if your airline has a baggage fee policy. Some airlines allow one free checked bag, while others may charge. It's always good to double-check before you get to the airport. And here's another tip. If you're a frequent flyer or a member of an airline's loyalty program, you may be eligible for reduced or waived baggage fees. Some credit cards also offer this perk as part of their travel rewards program. Remember, every penny saved on fees is another penny you can put towards making your travel experience even better. Once in the air, hydration is a foremost priority. At 30,000 feet, the air is dry, potentially causing a feeling of exhaustion and thirst. Bring along a water bottle to stay hydrated. Don't forget your skin needs hydration too. So, stow away a travel-sized moisturizer to maintain your skin's glow throughout the travel. Now let's talk about a crucial tip for your comfort: the Seat Pocket Survival Kit. Keep essentials like a small blanket, earplugs, eye mask, and a good book in your seat pocket for easy access and comfort. Shifting gears to in-flight entertainment. The onboard movies and music are decent, however, they might not suit all tastes. Try this trick. Pre-download your beloved shows, movies, or podcasts. This way, got your own tailored entertainment library. Discussing food, in-flight meals can be hit or miss. To make sure you have something delectable to nibble on, bring your own snacks. Items like protein bars, mixed nuts, or a homemade sandwich are great choices. This not only grants you more control over your food choices, but also is useful when hunger strikes between meals. Next on the agenda is the dreaded jet lag. It's when your internal body clock is messed up due to crossing multiple time zones, leading to exhaustion and sleeplessness. To tackle this, start modifying your sleep pattern a few days before your flight to coincide with your destination's time zone. Once on board, adjust your watch to the destination's local time. This can help your body get used to the new timetable quicker. While on board, don't be static. Engage in some activity, walk every few hours. This helps with jet lag and prevents stiffness and vein discomfort, a common issue on long-haul flights. Avoid the tempting free onboard wine. It might exacerbate jet lag. Now let's take a look at airport lounges. You might think that only first-class passengers can enjoy the comfort of airport lounges. That's not the case. Several credit cards offer complimentary airport lounge access as a perk. Also, you can purchase a day pass to many lounges at a reasonable cost. Some airlines even offer affordable annual memberships. This way, you'll be able to relax and enjoy some solitude before your flight. With all these tips, you're almost set to fly in style and comfort. Staying connected while traveling doesn't have to cost a fortune. Let's dive into some Wi-Fi secrets to take you from the airport to the plane. Did you know that some airlines offer free or discounted Wi-Fi for their loyalty program members? So, if you're a frequent flyer, it's worth checking out your airline's loyalty program. However, not all airlines offer this service, and sometimes the in-flight Wi-Fi can be unreliable. So, what's the solution? Consider investing in a portable Wi-Fi device or an international data plan. These devices allow you to access the internet wherever you are, including thousands of feet in the air. They can be a lifesaver, especially if you're traveling for business and need to stay connected. But be aware, a word of caution. While it's convenient to connect to public Wi-Fi, it's also risky. Public networks are not secure, and your data could be at risk. So always use a virtual private network, VPN, when connecting to public Wi-Fi. Time to land, but our hacks don't stop here. So you've just gotten off the plane and you're feeling a little worse for wear. It happens to the best of us. But don't worry, we've got an amazing post-landing refresh routine to help you get back on your feet in no time. First things first, hydration. You've heard us say it before and we'll say it again, it's key. After a long flight, your body will be craving water. Grab a bottle as soon as you land and drink up. Next, freshen up. Most airports have bathrooms where you can wash your face and brush your teeth. It's amazing what a difference this can make. If you have a long layover, consider taking a quick shower if the airport facilities allow it. Now let's talk about food. You might be tempted to grab something quick and easy, but try to opt for a healthy meal. Your body will thank you later. And finally, move around. Stretch your legs, do a quick walk around the terminal, or even a few jumping jacks if you're feeling brave. It's all about getting your blood flowing and shaking off that post-flight fog. Remember, the key here is to listen to your body and give it what it needs. A little self-care goes a long way in making your travel experience more enjoyable. And that's a wrap on our 17 secret flying hacks you wish you had known. If these flying hacks have piqued your interests, subscribe to our channel for more travel wisdom. Hit the like button if you're ready to elevate your flying game, and share your favorite flying hacks or any secret tips we may have missed in the comments below.